Hi you guys, I am back and basically my hair is pretty much wet. I just got out the shower and I want to try the wet look again since the last time I did it I didn't get to record the whole process. So this is what I'm going to do, and this time I'm gonna be using this hair cream right here. Hopefully it give me as much definition than the gel, and I have a little bit of this gel left from Not Your Mother's. I'm basically just gonna use that. So the last time I did it I used the wet line gel, so let's see how this is gonna work out. Stop. Wish me luck, seriously. But now I'm just gonna apply the cream. So with this look, a bold lippy looks so good with this wet look, like no lie. So I just add, it wasn't even a lipstick, it was this lip liner from L'Oreal, and I've been using it for quite some time. I think the shade just, okay, it's 108 Best Matte. That's the pencil number, and I really like it. So now I'm just gonna add some hairpin, put it behind my ears, basically.
No. Could not be on your ear.
Okay. noticed the last time I did this, it was with the middle side, so now I decided to do the side part, which I really like. And it's definitely a goal, you guys, to pop some lippy, like some bold color. It looks really good with this wet look. I think this is it.
I like it.
Thank you. Alright, so this is the final look, guys, and I really love it, and I'm so happy that I got to do this again and on camera this time. Like, you know, I'm really enjoying this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will share some pictures. I'll see you guys on the next one.